The wise Buddhist Mahatma Gandhi once said, "Live as if you're gonna die tomorrow, but learn as if you're gonna live forever." This is so important, guys. And in a world that we're living in today, where we're currently going through all this stuff, the changes, the unpredictability of what life has to offer, I would like to encourage you guys to continue living, continue learning, but most importantly, guys, continue helping each other. Let's strive to be a better version of ourselves as we embark on 2022. It's a year full of optimism, full of uncertainty, and especially because of the misfortunes of 2020 and 2021, many persons find it difficult to be positive in a world that we're living in today. But guys, let's use my life as an example. From the streets of Spanish Town, Jamaica, to now, the snowy, beautiful winter conditions of northern Alberta. This was once a dream. This was something that we fantasized about. This is something that we never thought would have been possible. But you know what? With faith, with positivity, and with optimism, we are able to be living our dreams, our goals, and definitely stuff that we did not thought would have been possible. Welcome to my channel, guys, DiAndersons, where we share our Canadian experience with all persons all around the world. Definitely consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you so much for all the persons who have already subscribed. We appreciate you all. As we embark on another year together, let's make 2022 the best year, the best of everything. May all your goals, all your dreams become a reality. Just be positive, just be optimistic, and don't give up. Be confident that whatever you touch will be a success, and definitely trust in whatever being, higher power, supreme, whatever it is that you believe in, guys. Trust that with faith, with hard work, and definitely with your own determination, you are able to accomplish anything you put your hands to, and you will become successful in the year 2022. As we go into another video, guys, please consider smashing a like, leave a comment. That's very important. It helps us out a lot. And let's go on to this Canadian journey together. See you guys in a bit. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm just here in Michael's with these two lovely people. Apparently Tal is really into painting, so we're currently just looking around, see if we can get some paint stuff. So you said that you're in a zone right now. Would you be able to get these stuff in like Jamaica? Just checking.
Most of the art stuff that I got, I ordered online.
Okay. So, if you wanted it, you could get it though.
Yeah, but they might be a bit more expensive in Jamaica.
Okay. In other words, it there.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys. So I'm just pretty much here killing time. Of course, it's Sunday. It's another snow day, guys. It's not as cold. It's definitely not as cold as the entire week has been. But with the warmer temperatures come more snow. So we have to be like dealing with a lot of snow today. I'll probably show you guys a clip of what the roads are looking like, or not. I'm not sure, depending on how I feel. But definitely subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Hit that like button. That's very important, really helps me out. And leave a comment, guys. Let me know where you're watching this video from. As usual, I like to interact with you guys. I like to chat with you guys. Definitely. It's Sunday, January. What date is it? January 9th, I think. Almost middle of January, guys. Can you believe it? Or are those New Year's plans coming along? Have you guys started planning? Have you guys done any planning? Of course, vision board is very important. If you guys are a person like me who likes to make plans, not only for the year but for like the future, get a vision board, guys. It's very important. All right, guys. Oh, on another thing. So Tal is actually a twin. And her sister has a YouTube channel as well, guys. You can definitely go and check it out. The name of the channel is Grow with Shanzi. I'll definitely leave a link right here, guys. Go and go check it out and run over there and say DiAndersons sent me over there. So if you're into gardening and stuff like that, definitely go and give her a support. And also if you're into like crocheting and stuff like that, I think embroidery is what I know it as. So definitely you guys can go and show some love over there as well. Big shout out to the Knights as well. The Night them as well over there in beautiful Edmonton, Alberta. Of course, they're dealing with like the warmer side of the climate. Definitely big up on yourself to the Knights. And who else get a shout out? Big up the Taylor family as well. Real authentic Jamaican family. Of course, guys, if you like Jamaican vlogs, go and check out the Taylor family. And just blessings to everybody. Whether or not I mention you guys right now. Thank you all for the support, for the love, for the encouragement. Hold on, let me get a snap of the cards. I want to get an idea of like what the cost is gonna be. So like for persons who are thinking of coming to Canada and you are into painting, let's see what the damage is gonna be like, guys. Let's see if you're gonna have to sell one of your kidneys to pay the bill, or if it is that you can just pay it without making any sacrifices. Are you guys done shopping already? That was quick. I thought you guys were gonna be in here longer. She started off. Yes. Thank you, Caitlin.
No worries. And you guys found everything okay today?
Yes.
And do you have a phone number? Yes. 825.
Yeah, guys, so of course we're in 2022, guys, and you know what, I have a lot of personal goals for 2022, and I really hope that you guys have a lot of personal goals as well. And being in Canada in 2022 is kind of like still surreal. It's still a little bit unbelievable to me, to be honest. Sometimes Nats and I sit and we're like, yo, we can't believe that we're actually in Canada, because this was actually just a dream, just something that we wanted a few years ago, right? We never thought that this would have been something that is actually a reality, guys. So of course, it's definitely something that can be possible for you guys too. And is it really worth moving to Canada in 2022? Absolutely, guys. Now there's a few things that you have to take into consideration. You have to take your own personal situation into consideration. Like many persons in their home country, they are like in a good position and they don't feel like moving to a new country is the right thing for them. That is okay too, guys. Now, if it is that you're looking for a better life for yourself and your family, it's definitely something that you can look into, and I definitely encourage you to look into it, guys. Before, I used to think that the processes are a little bit intimidating to get to Canada because, of course, it's a lot of paperwork, it's a lot of research, and just sometimes it seems like it's very expensive. But how I'll explain that is you're literally making an investment into your future. All right, guys, so definitely look at it as an investment into your future, something that you pay now and then you reap the reward for the rest of your life. That is definitely how you can look at it. Now, if it is not something that you want, as I said, that is fine, that is okay. But if it's something that you really and truly are passionate about for yourself and your family, do as much research as you can, guys. Do not base your information based on just one person, not even just based on what I'm saying. Do your own research. Go on the IRCC website, do as much research as possible, guys. There are in excess of 200 ways that you can migrate to Canada, guys. The more popular ways are, of course, the express entry and definitely like study and then eventually become a PR. But those are just two of many ways, guys. Of course, on this channel we speak predominantly, or when we say we, myself and Nats, we speak predominantly about the international student pathway, which is what we came by. However, we are trying to expand our information sharing to include express entry and also how to get a job from outside of Canada, outside of outside of Canada. How can you get a job offer from outside of Canada? And you know what, guys, this is something that many persons want to know about, and we definitely want to just use our platform to share this information with as many people as possible, because as I said last week, we have found a way that you can get a job inside of Canada before actually coming into Canada. So if it is that you are looking to get a job in Canada, you can probably check out our next video that we're going to be dropping on our channel, which is how to get a job inside of Canada while being outside of Canada, right? That's definitely something that you guys want to, if that's something that you guys are interested in, definitely subscribe, turn on your post notification bell. Initially we had said that we're going to be sharing this video for only members of the channel, but you know what, I feel like this is information that everyone should have and everyone can benefit from. But we're not going to say too much in this video because one, I want you guys to subscribe, and two, I want you guys to turn on those post notification bell. It's totally free and it just takes a second. All right, guys, so definitely if it is that you are looking to make a move into this beautiful weather, you can definitely check out some of our other videos. We share a lot, we interview a lot of persons who are very knowledgeable about other processes as well. Guys, rough. Let me show you guys a picture of what I'm going through. The snow. Yeah, guys, so I'm back home now, guys. Nice and warm inside with the family. Malika is somewhere down there running around. Where are you, Malika Jade? There she is. Yeah, of course, guys, you haven't seen Nats in a while.
Hi guys.
Nats has been in the background doing most of the editing work, the behind the scenes and stuff. And of course, Malia is here, guys. Malia is 3.5 months old today.
Say hi to
turning
uncles and aunties.
Turning into a real big girl.
Say hi.
Say hi.
Hi. Hi, mama.
You know what, guys, I'm just really happy for my family. I tell you that all the time, guys, but like I want you guys to understand, like there's blessings all around you guys. You might not be where you want to be, and you probably have goals that you're not even sure or you're going to be able to accomplish them. But listen, guys, look at the value of the things around you. Touch yourself, take a deep breath inside, out, and exhale outside, and then you see that, listen, there's air in your lungs still. And then definitely, guys, that is more than many people have, right? You probably not be able to eat what you want for dinner tonight, but you know what, guys, at the end of the day, you have something to eat. And that is what I am big on. I'm always about gratefulness, don't it? What are you grateful for, Nats?
Everything. I can't say everything. Breathing, seeing, feeling. Here in Canada for my family. Everything. Everything.
What are you grateful for, Malia? What are you grateful for?
And for persons who might go into a rough patch in their life right now, it's just a chapter. and so everybody goes through rough periods in their life. So soon you will turn the page and you will open a different chapter, and you'll be amazed.
And that is so true, because life is a cycle, and we hear that all the time, but we don't really understand the importance of what it really means. It means that some days are good and some days are bad, and the bad days really prepare for the good days just as much as the good days prepare for the bad days. If it is you're smart, if it is that you're wise, and you live life embracing life as it comes, right? Like for us, many persons might look at us and think that we have the perfect life, but you know what, guys, we have so many things that we can improve on, so many things that we wish that we could have done better. And you know what, there are places that we wish that we were at where we are not as well, just as anyone else. But we are so grateful because we're still in a position that many persons dream of and want to as well. So for that, we're just thankful and we're just really grateful. But we're just also saying this to say, it doesn't matter where you are in life, just be thankful. It's very important. Be thankful and be optimistic that, you know what, your circumstances will change. It has to change. Life is a cycle, right? It can't be bad forever. You have good days and you have bad days. Right, Malika?
There are good days drinking Peter Short.
Right, Malika, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Hello. Say hello. You don't know she a deal with it, guys. As long as she have fear of Peter Short, there's nothing else that matters. Alright? Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this very, very, very random video. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button. The goal for 2022 is 10,000 subscribers. Please help us on this journey, guys. Hit that subscribe button, share the channel, share the content, get as much persons as possible to subscribe. Help us reach our goal, guys. 2022 is the year of success, is the year of opportunities, and definitely is the year for all of us to accomplish all our dreams and all our goals. All right? Thank you so much again. Until the next video, Dems is out.